All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this case for the Phonak hearing aids. First of all, I got to tell you that I have what is called a power pack on it. And if you look right here, you're going to see a little crease that comes around, right? And it goes this way. And then at the bottom, there's a little lock. So you can lock this up or unlock it. Right now, I've got it unlocked. So when it's unlocked, I can go ahead and pull it off of here like that. So basically, that's how that works. So this is a battery onto itself that you can charge up and then just throw your hearing aids inside of this case, and this battery will charge them up and you don't have to have it connected. But if you look on both of these, you've got a port for USB. You see that right there? Let me set this down for a second. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you look here, you could charge this, with this like Android one, and you kind of put the beveled side down and the flat side up, and you push it in like this, if I can get it in there. And then if you look, this green light comes on. That's kind of telling me that it's kind of charged, and then I can pop it off. So that's how you can use that, right? Now, if you've got this battery pack thing, you just slide it in here. You see their contact, there's a contact there, and we just kind of push it in, bam, and snap it. Now, if I wanted to lock it, I could push this up, and that would lock it, right? And if you notice, this one's kind of is opposite to the way that other one was. Like if I pull this off right now, you're going to see how that one is. So when you're using it, just remember that you got to flip that thing over. So take a look at it. You see it's this way, so I'd have to put it in with the beveled side up, and then just smush it in like that. And then right here is where it tells me how many, how much it's charged. And you can see I got 3 of these lights beeping. Now, they're not beeping, but they're fully, they're solid. That means that this thing's ready to go. And then I can just pull it out. Now, if I want to test it to see if it's charged up, and I've got it unplugged, I just go like this, and it tells me. So you can use this without this battery pack or with the battery pack. If you come to the front of it and press it and open it, there's your hearing aids, and you can see they're blinking green, right? And this one, blue, is your left ear, red is your right ear. If I turn it around, I don't know if you can see it here. I'll pull it out a little bit. You can see it's red on the bottom, so that tells you where to put it into, right? And this one's blue, that tells you where to put it into right there. Now, it also comes with this thing here, which is supposed to, you stick a little pellet in there, and that's supposed to keep it drier in here. But that's basically how you use the case, and then you just go like that, and then bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.